Hey my cuties and beauties, it's your girl Q here at Naturally Lovely Q. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram and subscribe to my channel. And today I am so excited. My package finally came from Amazon. So I got my MelodySusie nail drill, efile, and I got some Fimo little decals, and I also got my practice hand. So y'all, I had bought this drill, this efile from Wish back in like October of 2019, and right around last month the wires just came loose from the cord and stopped working. So I was so excited to get this efile because I am in a really bad need of getting my own nails done. Here you can see it goes up to about 30,000 RPMs. It has a forward and reverse button on the side for those who are left-handed. They can switch that up. It's really quiet. I was so surprised. And there's like absolutely no vibration at all in the efile. So it comes with this little holder piece that you can connect to the side of the actual efile. It comes with a little stand to put it on when you're not using it. It came with these bits and some sanding bands and the charger. So it charged up pretty quick last night. I was really surprised. In the Fimo art pieces that I bought, it came with 6 different pieces, and I was just kind of like choosing which ones I wanted to go with for my frosted and pink look today. Also with the practice hand, I was able to get some extra nails to go with this hand, so that way, you know, I can have additional, but I think I found a way on how to make them reusable. So I'll probably make a video about that. I'm not sure, but we'll see. In my nails in a bag video, I had showed you guys that I had purchased my first ever polygel kit was this Gellen kit, and here I'm just swatching out a few colors from that kit that I think would go best with this look that I was trying to do. And I'm just really excited at how beautiful these nails came out and how easy they were. In my head I was like, oh my, this might be a little complicated, but those 2 colors that I just swatched down, those are the ones that I picked. It's a pink lemonade and a natural pink. This baby pink color looks really white after curing, so I decided not to go with that. So in addition to getting these items, I think I'm wanting to like purchase another hand, because although the fingers are flexible and such, it doesn't really twist. Like the tip of the fingers don't really twist like a normal finger, you know, not trying to break the fingertips, but you know, a normal human finger, it'll twist a little and there's like really not a lot of give with the finger. But all in all, I'm very pleased with the hand, because a lot of people have reviewed that the nail forms don't stay on these hands, and I had no issues. Like I told y'all, I got these nail forms from Amazon and they are super sticky. So I literally had no issues with these forms staying on and staying in place. And I've started to notice the difference between polygels. The Your Sugar polygel, it's a little bit more sturdy and gets stickier fast. But this Gellen polygel, it feels so like nice and smooth to the touch. It doesn't get as sticky as fast, and I noticed like I have to use less alcohol when forming these nails compared to when I use the Your Sugar ones. I feel like Your Sugar is a little bit thicker, but either way they're still nice polygels. So I'm just gonna start applying a thin coat of the pink lemonade to all 4 nails. I'm not gonna do the thumbs on this practice hand. And one thing you'll see is that I forgot to add base coat. So you'll see that earlier, and I'm gonna stick it in the lamp, cure it for a full 60 seconds, and then from there we'll move on to doing the frosted portion of the nails. So story time, y'all. I really love Polygel, and I think I'm biased, but it's okay. So I first started practicing nails back in 2011 with acrylic, and I have really bad asthma, and I was just getting frustrated because, number one, I didn't know what I was doing. Number two, YouTube wasn't as big as it was then as far as like the how-tos and things like that. And I was just having really bad breathing problems with just that chemical smell from the monomer. So when Polygel came out and I started seeing all these YouTubers using Polygel, I was like, I gotta try this. No smell, no monomer. It's just like an absolute dream. So I'm really enjoying using Polygel to create nails. It's just as strong as acrylic, and it's so much fun, and it's relaxing, and it gives me that time as a beginner to be able to form the nail the way that I want to and achieve the same looks as though I was using acrylic. I don't know, it's just crazy. Like, you can either use too much or too little, but it's very forgiving. You can go back and reapply where you need to, and it just works out really good in the end. So here I am just doing the natural pink at the top and ombreing it down to the pink lemonade. The pink lemonade is more like a jelly type of polygel, and on that wet polygel, before curing, I'm just gonna add these Fimo pieces. It's some petals and flowers, and it looked like it was a little bow tie or a butterfly. It was kind of small because I wasn't really able to see what that was, but I thought it was just super cute. So I'm just gonna add those to the wet polygel, cure these nails for the full 60 seconds, and then I'm gonna come back and build up the nail with clear acrylic so that way I can begin shaping and filing and getting the cute design that you guys will see at the end. I decided to do 3 regular square nails and 1 stiletto nail, and I thought it came out really cute because I wanted to go for at least like 2 accent nails in this set, but it turned out okay to me, and I really liked it and enjoyed it. So again, remembering to move that inhibition layer before filing. I noticed the reviews that said like these nails pop off. I did have that issue with this pinky finger, but once I secured that lighter piece further up towards the darker piece, it kind of held the nail in place. So I think maybe once or twice from me just moving it around and being a little rough with it, it fell out again. But once you stick that thing back in there and make sure it's secured all the way up, it doesn't really move anymore. So I'm just making sure to get under the nails as well to get all that stickiness off of there, so that way I have nothing attaching to this nail at the bottom when I'm filing. So here it is all filed, and I'm loving how frosty these nails look from just filing and buffing it. Now that I'm looking at it, I couldn't see this in real life, but just looking at it through the camera lens, I feel like I wanted to keep these as matte nails, but I did want to showcase the jelliness of the tip portion of the nail. So either way, I think it's cute. Maybe I'll try it next time as a matte nail, but I'm just going over with top coat on the top of the nail and below the nail so I can get that clearer effect of the jelliness of that pink lemonade at the tip of the nail. And I'm going to cure that for a full 60 seconds in the lamp, and then come back with a little more top coat and add these Fimo pieces and some bling. And I'm gonna get out the way so y'all can watch the rest of this video and see how cute these nails ended up turning out. Look at how pretty these are, and look at that beautiful C-curve that I was able to achieve with those nail forms. I just thought these nails were just so gorgeous and so just simple and cute. Just really cute, not too extravagant, even though I like really crazy extravagant nails. But don't do it on myself. I'll tell y'all why in another video. But I thought that these just came out so beautiful. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for liking my video. And I hope that you'll subscribe to my channel in the future. Leave your comments. Tell me what you thought about these nails. And I will most definitely talk to you in my next one.